Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be making Jamaican Callaloo Patties. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. I have some callaloo. This is from the can. It comes like this. And I rinsed it and drained it. And we have some chopped scallion, some chopped tomatoes, some bell peppers chopped, and some thyme, and salt and pepper. I also have a ball of flaky patty dough here. Check out my video on how I made this. So I have my frying pan here with some hot oil, and I'm going to add some tomato and some scallion, and bell peppers, I'm going to give that a stir. So I'm going to let that saute for a little bit. I'm going to add a callaloo. And the callaloo, if it comes in brine, just be aware of the salt content. You may want to rinse it. As it was in the can, it doesn't need very long to be cooked. Now I'm going to sprinkle some thyme. And I'm going to add some salt and black pepper to that. And I'm going to just gently stir that. Because I'm going to be baking the callaloo some more in the patties, I'm going to remove it from the heat now and allow it to cool. Okay guys, so I have my callaloo here and my dough, so I'm going to go ahead and roll that out and fill it with the callaloo. So I'm going to just cut that in half so it's just a little bit easier to work with. I have my surface slightly floured here, and then I'm going to just roll this out to about 1/8 of an inch thickness. Now the trick with the flaky dough is to not overwork it. So I have a plate and a knife to cut out a circle here. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but I'm just used to doing it this way. It just makes it easier to shape the patties. And you stay a little bit away from the edges. I'm going to fold over the top flap like so, press it in with our fingers a little bit, and use a fork to crimp the edges like so. All the way around, and then you poke it once in the center just so that the air can escape. So I'm going to get the rest of these done and then we'll come back. The patties are all filled and I'm going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. The patties don't tend to change much in color, so keep an eye on it as oven temperatures may vary. Okay guys, so the patties are done. I'm going to cut one open so you can have an idea of what it looks like. Look at that goodness, guys. And I am going to take a bite of it just to see what it tastes like. Wow. This is really, really good, guys. I can taste all the seasonings, and the callaloo is not overcooked. Everything just melts really well together. So there you have it, guys. Jamaican Callaloo Patties. Thanks for watching.